Hello and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany. Before we get started, please subscribe and let's get into this unboxing. This is the unboxing for CurlBox for June 2021. The box is deeper than usual, so I'm kind of wondering what is in it right now. So let's get it open. Side note, my hair is very bouncy and very defined today. If you'd like to know what I used in this wash and go, please let me know and I can do a video on it. So the box is open and now I see why it has a more depth. So on top, which is not in the box, I have a Ultra Hold Gel. This is the Maui Moisture Curl, Quench, and Coconut Ultra Hold Gel. So that's the first item. Now let's get to the box. So it looks like the rest is gonna be Maui Moisture. I've used this brand before, not this particular collection. I used this brand before years ago and I did like it. I don't remember which collection I used, but I did use it and I know it wasn't this one. This is most likely a newer one. So it says, welcome to maximum moisture. Moisture is something I don't necessarily need right now, but in the future it should be something that I will be getting back into. So this is a booklet. And this is the inside. This sounds really interesting. So this is the Lightweight Curls and Flaxseed Shampoo. It's for fine to medium curls. So it has flaxseed, coconut water, and citrus oil. I like this color. Next is the Lightweight Curls and Flaxseed Conditioner. It has the same 3 ingredients, the flaxseed, coconut water, and citrus oil. This is silicone free if you don't like silicones. And this is sulfate free if you don't like sulfates. I don't care, so these are good for me either way. Next is Lightweight Curls Flaxseed Curl Refresher Mist. It's paraben and silicone free. And it says it's made with 100% aloe vera as the first ingredient. This looks interesting. And last but not least is the Flexible Hold plus Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. It's for dry curly hair. And this also says it's made with 100% aloe vera as the first ingredient. It has no parabens, no silicones, no sulfated surfactants, no mineral oil, no synthetic dye, and no gluten. So that's this right here. And this looks interesting. I've been liking mousse lately. So if this is a mousse similar to the one that I've been liking, I'd be very happy because I never liked mousse before. I always thought mousse did not give me enough of a hold. But lately, like I said, I've been enjoying the mousse that I've been using. So that was my June 2021 CurlBox. I got 5 full-size items from Maui Moisture. And I can't wait to try them. Let me know if you've tried any of these products or seen them. I have not seen any of these, so this is my first time seeing these and I'm excited to see how they work. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.